The Galaxy A54 5G is likely to be Samsung's best-selling smartphone of 2023 after the Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A52 both sold very well for the company. As you can see in the images, we know that the Galaxy A54 5G will come in at least 4 colors. This includes a black, purple, white, and greenish yellow color. Samsung will likely use some different names for these colors. It does appear to be a slightly different color than the Bora purple that Samsung made for the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 this year. What about the specs? Well, the Galaxy A54 5G is expected to come with a 6.4-inch OLED FHD plus 120Hz display. It'll also have a 5,000 mAh capacity battery inside, with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It'll also sport a triple camera setup, and that includes a 50-megapixel main camera. Samsung's Galaxy A54 5G will also be just a tad smaller and larger in all dimensions. Here's how it compares to the Galaxy A53 5G that was released in early 2022. Basically, what this means is that it's basically the same size. However, Galaxy A53 5G cases won't fit the Galaxy A54 5G. We don't know for certain when the Galaxy A54 5G will be announced, but if we follow the Galaxy A53 5G announcement, it'll likely be around March or April. Definitely after the Galaxy S23 announcement in early February. While some might expect that Samsung would launch the Galaxy A54 5G at CES in January, that's pretty unlikely. We put our money on March. The Galaxy A54 5G will likely become one of the best-selling smartphones of 2023, and it will be competing with the Google Pixel 6a, Nothing Phone 1, and the iPhone SE, among many others. So pricing will be pretty important here. We don't have any concrete information on pricing here, but we do expect it to be similar to the Galaxy A53 5G, which launched at $449. Our money is on a sub-$500 price tag here. What do you think about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A54? Give your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to Mobile Versus. Thanks for watching.